Hi everyone! Have you ever bought a bunch of resin pigments only to have them turn out all wrong? Some are perfect for brushing onto molds to create gradient metallic effects. Some work best mixed directly with resin, and others clump up no matter how much you stir. Want glitter to float but it always sinks? Why do pigments behave so differently? Today we'll help you figure out which pigments are right for your projects. Sparkle additives on the market usually come in three forms: powder, glitter, and flakes. Each has its own uses and visual effects, so let's break them down. We offer several types of powder pigments: chameleon, mica, chrome, glow-in-the-dark, neon, and thermochromic powders. These are all suitable for mixing into epoxy or UV resin for coloring. Among them, chameleon, mica, and chrome powders have strong adhesion, so they can also be brushed directly onto molds. The others are better used for mixing only. Different powders create completely different effects. Some change color, some glow in the dark, and some shine like a mirror. Let's take a closer look. Chameleon powder changes color depending on the viewing angle, with vibrant hues, strong luster, and high saturation. It's fine, spreads easily, doesn't clump, and is not easy to fade. You can brush it directly onto molds or mix it with resin for coloring. It's perfect for jewelry or coasters, giving a sophisticated shimmering effect. Mica powder has a natural pearl-like luster. It's fine and soft, easy on the eyes, and comes in a wide range of colors. It's sun and fade resistant and beginner friendly. Its uses are versatile: epoxy resin, clay, or candle making. For a gentle pearlescent look, mica is your go-to. Chrome powder creates a mirror-like, high-gloss finish with strong reflectivity. The colors are bright and saturated, and layering creates natural gradients. It sticks well and doesn't clump. It's ideal for resin crafts and nail art. It works best when brushed directly into molds. Mixing it into resin can reduce its mirror effect. Glow-in-the-dark powder absorbs light and glows softly in the dark. The brighter the absorption and the longer the exposure, the stronger the glow. High-quality glow-in-the-dark powder can last several hours, and it glows again after absorbing light. It's best mixed into resin for ornaments, coasters, keychains, or desktop decorations. Neon powder is different. It doesn't store light. It fluoresces brightly under UV light and fades quickly once the light is gone. The colors are vibrant and eye-catching. It's perfect for party decorations, stage props, safety signs, or mixed into resin for earrings and coasters. Thermochromic powder changes color with temperature above 86 degrees Fahrenheit and returns to its original color when cooled. It's fine, safe, and non-toxic. You can use it for color-changing rings, temperature-sensitive coasters, or phone cases, making interactive, fun gifts. Next, let's talk about glitter. Holographic fine glitter is granular but very fine with strong adhesion. It works beautifully on molds with just a small amount, or mixed into resin for a sparkling effect. It reflects rainbow light from different angles, making small ornaments like bracelets, earrings, and pendants really pop. Opal chunky glitter has larger, semi-transparent particles with bright iridescence and a 3D effect. It works best with a light base and can be mixed into resin for keychains, phone stands, ornaments, or earrings, but it doesn't stick well if brushed onto molds. Finally, flakes. We currently offer chameleon flakes, which have the color shifting effect of chameleon powder with a soft opal-like sheen. The particle is larger and thin, so they can clump. It's better for brushing than mixing directly. Brushing them onto molds with a dark base gives the most striking effect. Since the flakes are so light and thin, they can easily float in the air. That's unavoidable. A small tip: shake the bottle to separate the flakes, then gently brush them onto the mold. This can help quite a bit. Even the fanciest powders can go to waste if they're not used the right way. But don't worry. In our next episode, we'll share some simple tips and techniques to help you get the best results every time. Make sure to follow us and stay tuned. You won't want to miss it.